Aww.
Kakainin mo yan.
4 chicks.
6. Anong 4? 6 yan, ano?
4 daw, 4.
Ay, 4. Akala ko 4. 4 pieces.
Where's the... Okay, so which is the head?
Eto, head. Ayan, oh.
The little one. The legs.
Nawala na eh.
Ayan, yung isa. Ayan.
Ito, wala ng head. Ayun.
Nakabalok ko.
Shy eh.
Aww.
Mashy siya, shy. Ayan, oh. Ayun, oh. Oh.
The head, yeah.
Poor chick.
6. And then, sausaw mo na. This one
Show me how you do
for
it.
you.
Yes, no.
Celine,
Stop saying it's for me.
and Dai,
Leia.
Leia. Ito sa akin.
You think I'm gonna eat?
Ito kay Auntie Oring.
It's not okay.
So what's this?
Vinegar.
Oh, I just ate.
This is vinegar.
These
You
are
want me to throw up the
That was our-
French fries?
dessert.
So, oh, Leia, halika na. Leia. Spoon.
I'm winning. Eat one.
Do you want? Eat. Isa lang.
I want to see you eating.
Okay, ako mauna. Sarap nito.
Yung sana may malaking ano, yung nakikita yung kwan, nakikita yung ulo.
Ulo. Ayan, ulo. This one. This one.
What's the head? Ooh.
Yeah. Yummy.
Yummy, delicious.
John Jers.
Oh, ikaw naman.
I'm gonna call you John.
This leg is for you. Okay? Ayan. Drumstick.
What's
Pakita
that?
mo pa yung intestine. Ayan o. Ayun. Oh.
No hair.
No, ayan. Kinalbon eh. Ah.
Star si Kuya eh.
Guys, kuya talaga.
And what's this? Is that the yellow thing I ate yesterday? Yeah?
Wala na. Susunod kayo.
Wala nga. The chicken leg.
Yes, sa'yo. Come on. Kaya mo na.
What does it make you think I want a chicken leg? A duck leg.
Ha?
A duck leg.
We ate it. Oh, about the plus bag of this one.
What do you mean?
The
Okay, so you ate the... No, you didn't.
Lori's
Can I have your
second
fork?
challenge.
yes.
Eating 1-day-old chick.
Okay, this is the head. The head of the
Ay,
family.
mapait agad ang hinuha.
I can't believe I let myself be fooled by you.
Sarap. More vinegar so that the taste is delicious.
I don't like it.
Kuha ka kutsara no?
I don't like this one.
Baka nakain niyo yung mapait, kuya.
Oo nga.
This is
Ano yung
bad.
mabait? Ano yung mapait?
Bitter.
The bitter? There is a taste, bitter taste.
I had enough. I don't like it.
You don't like it.
But I did a little bit.
Yeah.
Yes, very good.
Very good.
You like some fruit?
Huh?
You like some fruit? Watermelon.
Mango or beer?
How's it, Leia? You're not happy either.
Yeah, I'm not.
It's not good? There's something wrong with the chick?
I think so.
What?
Luma.
Luma.
Ayoko.
Not
It
toy.
expired.
No, it's not.
Expired.
Yeah.
Correct.
If you said it's not fresh, it expired. See? See, look. I swallow it.
Expired chick.
You're funny, Ray.
Ready to
Okay, you girls, you must try it.
No,
kayo na.
already.
Okay, okay.
I've already tried.
Nanay.
Nanay! It's my first time to eat this one.
Yeah?
Yeah, I don't eat street food.
Do you know how it tastes? No.
Para siyang
Okay, now I'm surprised. How would you feel like it?
Natapat sa kanya.
Her first time. 37 years, her first time. Yuck?
Yummy? Or yak?
No.
Yak.
Yeah.
It means that they're not good.
But some...
This chick is expired. The first one that we taste is good.
Yeah? It had a better taste? Well, try the other ones.
I try.
Yeah, see which one is good.
Ito, kuya, tingnan mo mukhang okay.
May halo, ano.
Leia. Okay, maybe this is good.
Kasi ito, mag-green siya.
Super pink. Hindi siya yung talagang day old ng sarap.
Dapat pag bumili ka pala yung kaluluto na.
Kaso wax na
Tapos may nakikita. Oh, dano. Kakain ka?
What?
Do you want?
No.
No?
Is it better this
Yes.
one?
Try it.
No, I don't want any more. That was a bad try. I don't want another one.
This one is not good. Ito good.
Gusto yung prutas.